Hi guys, welcome back to the videos. Should be getting back to normal-ish now. Starting off with, I've got another Too Good To Go. I've been trying to get quite a few, but they've been cancelled because there's not enough left over at the end of the day. So today, I have finally got one that hasn't been cancelled. So we're going to go through it, we're going to have a look, see what we've got, have a look at the food, see if we can work out how much we've got between how much we've paid for it. So without that, let's go on with the video. Hi guys, welcome back to the video and welcome back to another Too Good To Go unboxing. If you've never used Too Good To Go, I've done a couple of videos on it now. It's basically an app. You download it and you can check any of the local shops or restaurants near you. If they've got any food at the end of the day, they put it up there and they give it you at a discount price. Usually a couple of quid, and you usually get quite a little bit more. Today's bag is £3.25, I believe I paid. And I should get about 9 quid's worth of stuff. But looking at the haul, there's actually quite a lot. Do stick around as well. It'd be great if you could give it a like and also subscribe as well. It does help the channel. Even if you don't watch them all, it does help the channel out. We're going to have a look at the haul anyway and see what we've got. So it's quite a big bag and it is completely full. So here we are. This is the bag. So I'm going to pull them out, have a look, see what we've got, see if we can work out whether we've definitely got a bargain here. Definitely, 100% there is a bargain here. It's probably the fullest I've seen in a long time. The last few that I had, which were a couple of months ago now, they got my money's worth, definitely, but yeah, they were a little bit less. So yeah, the last couple that I got, it's been a couple of months ago, but they were full. Definitely got my money's worth, but they weren't as much as what there is here today. So let's have a look and see what we have. Starting off, we've got sandwiches. This is the cheese salad brown roll, if you can see it there. There we go. So that's cheese salad brown roll. That's £1.60, bearing in mind I paid £3.25, I believe, for this one. So we're already on our way there. Got another sandwich. This is the ham salad white roll. There we go. Ham salad white roll. Again, that's £1.60. So, you know, money straight away. And it's still full. You should see this. Well, you will do in a second. So, next up out of the haul, we got what looks to be a sausage roll. Although the meat looks quite dark on that, so not too sure, but I think it's sausage roll. I try and smell it, but my sense of smell is terrible. Ooh, apple tarts. You love these Mr. Kipling ones. So we've got 2 on there. So I mean, that's a quid. We're already over. Definitely in profit. Ooh. Ah, I bought some of these as well myself. So these are used by tomorrow as well, so it's got a good date. Well, it's got a decent date on it, but that's fine. That's what you expect. You expect to be having food, which is basically, it's by near its sell-by date, and they sell it at a bit of a mystery box kind of thing. So here we are. We have 2 Bavarian slices. They're very much kind of like the custard slices, bit more crusty than custardy, but they're really nice. I think they have jam in as well, if I do believe correctly. We have another 2 Bavarian slices, so we're currently on 4. That is great. I love these. I actually bought some when they were in there as well, so I have 6. So I'll have to share them if anybody in the house wants them. Next up, just brilliant, we have the mince pies. There we go. So we've got mince pies. We've got 3 of them. Just just what was needed. We've got, although quite squashed, that could be my fault though, I did have some shopping with me. Apple and cinnamon puff. Oh, they're not donuts. I thought they looked a bit crushed as they were donuts, but they're not. They're puff pastries. So apple and cinnamon puff pastries. So they're actually that size anyway. It's not. It's not donut stuff anyway. One of my faves. We have carrot cake. Got 2 of them. So back to the gym after the full Christmas holidays. And finally, I say finally, this has been a really good haul. We appear to have and yet finally, my camera for some reason keeps switching itself off, but finally we have a pizza. So I've definitely got my tea here. And like I say, £3.25, and we've got, let's have a look. So 160, that's 320, 420, 520, don't know how much they are, 620. I mean the 620 in terms of the stuff that I can add up. But carrot cake, I'm sure they were about £2 for the 2, and the Bavarian slices were, because I bought them, they were £2. So we're looking at 320, 4, 5, 6. It's about £12, maybe 12, maybe £13. Oh, sorry, and the pizza, maybe about 15 quid's worth of stuff here. It's a really good haul. I will lay them all out so you can see them all in a second. And I put them on there, but this is a really good haul. Literally this cost me £3.20, and you can't really fault that. So anyway, that's the unboxing of the Too Good To Go. I'm going to try and do a lot more of them because they are really good value and they're really good to see what you can get inside. They don't cater for you just in case you've got certain allergies or the stuff that you can't eat or you don't like. It's a mystery box, you don't know what you're going to get, so there's certain things that might be in there that are not favourite to you. For me, other than I'm not a big fan of ham, but it's literally I can take the ham out of there and have it as a salad bread. I don't really like the flat ham very much, but I can have that as salad bread. Not a massive fan of the sausage rolls as well. They're okay. I'm not a vegetarian, but I do actually prefer the vegan sausage rolls. Yeah, I don't know why, because they don't taste like sausage roll and they don't smell like sausage roll. I do love the Greggs sausage rolls, the normal ones, but I'm quite fussy with stuff like that. And then the pizza. We like the pizza. Pizza's good. Anyway, thank you for watching the video. I will be coming up more regular this year. I'm going to try and get out there, get lots of videos done, a lot better ones as well. Please do give it a like and a subscribe. Even if you don't watch the channel very much, it does help me to be able to carry on doing this. And until next time, guys, thank you for watching. And I'll see you soon. And I'll just give you a quick look at what we've got on the table. Bye for now. So guys, here we go. We have the pizza, the mince pies, the carrot cake, the Bavarian slice times two, the apple and cinnamon, or turn that round, apple and cinnamon puff pastries, salad, ham salad, we'll take the ham out of that, the cheese salad on brown, I think that is a sausage roll, the meat looks a bit darker so it may not be, and finally the apple tarts. There you go. So that's a monster haul there, and that has cost me £3.25. So anyway, again, thanks for watching and see you next time.